Hey everybody, I received some friend mail, happy mail, and I thought I would share it. This is from Teresa in Canada. Thank you, Teresa, for sending me a card. Oh, I love it. Love grows here. Oh, she sent me a nice little card. Wow. Let's see. Oh, she started here, went here, and then went in the back. So she just wanted to say hi, and she hopes we're all doing well. Really sweet, Teresa. Thank you so much. So sounds like she's got some things changing in her life. Oh, I love the card. I love it, Teresa. Thank you so much. All right, and this is from Creating with Jovi. And let's see what Jovi sent. Oh, look, one of her cards she made for her 12 days of Christmas. She made it into a journal. Oh, she made a little journal. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I did win on live. I told her she didn't have to. Oh. Oh, you're welcome. I love you. And that is so sweet. That is so her. Look how fun. What fun papers. And look at this little journal. Thank you, Jovi. How cute. It's adorable. I love it. Right, all my sweet nothings in here, right? I love it, Jovi. Thank you so much. And I love your little card. I know you've been making these for your 12 cards of Christmas. So everybody go check out Jovi's channel and see what her cards are she's making. So thanks everybody for watching, and have a